Welcome to another episode of Jumping in the Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today this is what's jumping in my pot: Cajun butter chicken. And also, I will be making Parmesan garlic smashed potatoes. So let's get to it. These are the ingredients that I will be using for the Cajun butter chicken: olive oil, chili powder, black pepper, salt, cayenne pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, oregano, paprika, crushed garlic, chopped onions and scallions, chicken broth, butter, and this is the olive oil here. Now, and I'm going to be using chicken thighs. You can use whatever part of the chicken you like. So let's turn on the frying pan. I'm turning it on medium high. So I'm going to add the oil now. And the butter. Now I've already washed the chicken in lemon juice and cold water. And I've already mixed my Cajun seasoning. I'm going to put it on the chicken. And massage it through the seasoning through the meat. You see? Now that the oil has heated up, we add the chicken. We let it saute on each side for about 5 to 7 minutes per side. Now let's take a look at the chicken and see how it's been jumping in the pot. It's coming along very good. We'll let it saute for another 5 minutes on that side before we move to the next step. Now it's time to take the chicken out. It has been cooking here for a total of 7 minutes on each side, so that is 14 minutes. So now this is what we do. We take the chicken out. We put it in a plate. And this is the next step, what we do. We take the onions and scallions, the minced garlic, and we saute this up together in the butter and the olive oil. We saute this for about 2 minutes. Then we add some black pepper to the onions and garlic and scallions, and salt. Now we add the chicken broth. And we let it simmer on low for about 10 minutes. We add the chicken back into the pan and let it cook for another 10 minutes. Pour all the juices back from the chicken into the pan. Now that the Cajun butter chicken has cooked, we are now moving on to the next dish, garlic Parmesan smashed potatoes. I used Yukon gold potatoes. You can use whatever potatoes you choose to use. I already boiled the potatoes in salted water. You take them and you put them in a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, and I sprayed a little oil on the parchment paper. Now, this is what we need to use. We need a potato masher, and this is what we do. We take the potato and the masher, and we mash the potato down, but not too hard because we don't want mashed potatoes. We don't use heavy force to it. We smash each one of the potatoes down. Now that I've smashed the potatoes, see, this is the next thing we do. This is what's going on the potatoes. I have here olive oil, Parmesan cheese, chopped fresh parsley, black pepper, salt, and melted butter with crushed garlic. I put the parsley in the bowl with the butter and garlic, and then I mix it up. Then you put it on top of each potato. And I also preheated the oven to 400 degrees. And we're going to put the potatoes in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until it gets nice and crispy. Now that the butter and parsley and garlic mixture is on the potatoes, the next thing we do is we sprinkle a little black pepper over each potato and a little salt. Then we put it in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes to bake. Here we have it, the finished dishes. This is the Cajun butter chicken and the Parmesan garlic smashed potatoes. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, and share. And also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.